Okay, so what is Sensei LMS? I have it locally installed. Ooh, bad theme. Oh no, I think I know. Let's see, will it be admin? No. I want to make the browser larger for now. So okay, so here is Sensei. That's a plugin that allows you to build a learning management system, a school, publishing a course. Appearance, I want to use course theme. That's another thing that we do. I have a bit too many items here in the menu, but who cares? Node, here it is. I think I have an example course here. Okay, I did some testing here, a lot of testing, and here is what the user can see. For example, that's a course. They can learn something. Oh, yeah, that's just fake course. So and so on. Modules, lessons, quizzes. Oh, I was correct everywhere. Cool. This part is called front end, because visitors see it, and here we have backend. That's a WordPress admin panel. So we have courses, modules, lessons, questions. That's student management. I have some things here. And here are reports. And I believe we can make them much more useful. One idea that I want to try to implement right now is to add graphs here, and graphs with some information. Maybe only one graph with a few lines that can provide something useful, some useful aggregations maybe. So how I can do that? How I can do that? I'll show you. So let's go. Strong. That's weird. Hey. Yeah. So by the way, look at this font. Very nice font. I noticed it in TeachDV stream and I found, oh, it looks familiar and I like it. I went to their website and bought a license almost immediately. I started using it and then I realized why I didn't buy it earlier, because I know this font at least for a year. So they don't support Cyrillic, and part of my day I spend, so a few hours per week I spend doing some coding stuff, for example for my wife, using Cyrillic fonts. That was a bit disappointing for me. Here it is in Latin and here is in Russian. Not so good. Not so good, but okay. So let's go to the code. How can I make something interesting here? How can I extend reports? The main way to extend WordPress is by adding hooks, adding filters and actions. And Sensei has actions and filters. Here's an example. I need to find developer documentation. Yeah, developer docs. So here are hooks from Sensei. And what I want to find is something related to reports. As you can see, all the hook names start with vendor prefix, with a vendor prefix like Sensei here, then goes something, the second part like course is another meaningful part. So here is course, here it is email, then go reports, go, yep. Okay, and I suppose it might be something I am interested in. Okay, no, that's actions and I want filters. Let's take a look here. Existing, get, see home. Oh, sorry, reports should be somewhere. QR reports overview export button URL. Okay, probably actions, and probably it is like that's right. So Sensei, WP content plugins. Sensei reports extension. Nice. Sensei report extension. Excellent. What we need to do here? We need to create a file, Sensei reports extension, and here I need to create a special yeah, does it look correct? So that's a special comment, special file with a special comment that marks this code as a plugin, WordPress plugin. WordPress plugin comment. Sorry, plugin comment. Actually, developer. Yep. Why I use Bing here? That's weird. Plugin basics, basic hooks, blah blah blah. Yep, here's header. Yeah, that's a header. Plugin name. Name, and I suppose that's the only needed one. I think this one isn't needed as well. Okay, fine. Oh, here are examples of this header. Fine. Software license. I don't need it at the moment. Activation hook. Yeah, but I don't need to do anything at the moment. Okay, but here I want to like set up no Sensei Export extension, fine. I don't care about names at the moment, and that's not what I want to do. Nice, but not exactly that. Here I want to add yeah, I don't want to repeat it every time. Maybe I can do, yes. I'm not sure if it is legal to do that. Function. Yeah, before filters. Okay. Filters, fine. And other, yeah. So as we've seen, we have two actions, probably suitable, at least one of them, and I want to see how they work. Nice. For main content, and Sensei reports, overview after, oh, that's before where it is, before top filters. And after. Now I hope we have this plugin in the list. No. Maybe minimum plugin name. Oh, plugin, yeah. Plugin name. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. Activated. Fatal. No code may exist outside of namespace. Oh, really? Okay. Okay. What? Oh, sorry. Okay, class Sensei reports extension. Namespace. That's so. What I do, it looks so stupid. So stupid, really. Okay, that's fine. So we just. No, I don't want this to be in construct. I want to have this opportunity to have control. So we remove that, and we require once, yeah. And I need to create it. Sensei reports extension. I don't actually care too much about how I structure my code for now. So, oops. Something like that. And no errors. Great. And plugin activate. Plugin is active. So yeah, nice. What we can see here. What I see is that probably I can use before filter because it I hope it won't break anything there. Oh. After. I want to look at code there. I was expected to find something else, something maybe between, I mean, after this filter thing. So, like, after this div, but before this table. Sensei reports. Nope. Sensei analysis. Reports. Display reports navigation. That's this part. Oops. This part. I think so. Not. Yeah. Yes, it is. Sorry. Reports navigation. What else? Analysis. Maybe I need to check if there are analysis No, nothing for analysis. Submenu, nav title. Okay. Display reports page. Okay. Analysis before container. And also we have Sensei analysis extra. Sensei analysis after. I think the problem here is that these actions don't have a doc comment, and because of that they don't appear in documentation here. I don't see anything like Sensei analysis after headers. Let's try to add something there. Sorry. And action headers. Thank you, Copilot. Let's check it. Sorry, noted. After headers. So yeah, I think that's not the best place for what I want to do to add graphs, but maybe it's better than this one or this one. But maybe we need to check a bit more. I know that Sensei analysis extra, but it appears in the bottom. I think the graph should be somewhere in the top, not in the bottom, because if you have a long list it might be not very convenient. So okay, but let's just check it. Add action. Thank you. Extra. Here it is. Yeah. So as I said, I think the after headers is the best option for me. I leave it. Nice. Now let's take a look at what we can show there. Okay, no. First, I want to add a library, JS library for graphs. I found one. One moment. Chart JS. Here it is. I want to use it. It looks pretty simple. Nice. API is pretty good. Yeah, so I think I can use it for my graph. WordPress NQ script. Yeah. So we have this hook that we need to use and this function. I'm not sure if it's fine to enqueue it from CDN. Probably it's better to download it and put the code. GitHub.com. What? I can't use it without an account. Oh, here it is. Chart Jazz. Here is the release. I can use npm. I don't want to show how I unpack and move it because why so much SRC scripts? Where is build? Just Autodocs now. Sorry, I think it's better to look at it here. Getting started. Got it. No. Installation. Build files are reliable. Okay. Simple, fast, reliable. Chart Jazz. What about just copy URL? Nice. Save. Here. Okay, I put the file right here and maybe chart Jazz. Yep. And what I want to do here oh, not here, sorry. Here is and action. That's QScripts, thank you. I don't have any dependencies. Okay, don't care too much about that. Now I want to check that I included network, sorry, one more time, and only JS and no charges, no charges. Why? No. Saved? Yeah. Okay. I see I don't have enough space here. I'll take a look at it a bit later. I don't need it anymore. So about enqueue script, maybe I misuse it. I forget how to use it every time. Basics, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Yep, and action. This enqueue scripts. Not sure. Okay. One more time. No charges. No charges. No. No true. This means it doesn't have dependencies. No, that's correct. Enqueue scripts. It just doesn't appear here. Yep. The most interesting part of that call is the first parameter, the name, and the last parameter, true. The first parameter is a handle which you can think is a nickname for the JavaScript file. Handle is being used, blah blah blah. Dependency for you in queue. For example, you could pass jQuery, or you can queue file with the handle first, second. Okay. What am I missing? I think I'm missing something obvious. Handle, src, depth. Maybe the path is wrong. Oops. Let me check it. No. So I don't need this. Okay. I think the path is correct. Let's check. Yep. Version footer again. Okay, the problem is that WP enqueue scripts is for front end, and we need to enqueue it in admin. So probably let's I hope so. No? Okay, nice. Now we have it here. Oof. Stupid mistakes. No problem. That's fine. Okay, so we have it loaded. We have, okay, here we need to add a canvas. We need to add a nice, thank you. It is somewhere here, and I want to just show anything there. Anything. So how WordPress enqueue inline, no, inline script. No examples, but I still think there should be something and then line script. I think there should be something like pressing Q and line script. Nope, add in line script, Q script. Maybe like in Q in line. Nope. Okay. Okay. I still believe there should be something like that, because, you know, in footer false. And false. Yes. If I edit a line script, nice, thank you. Helps me a lot. Oops. There is an error. So I want to see the error message. Syntax error. That's a syntax error. Line 28. Oh. Oh. Sorry. By the way, that's stupid. I think it won't work in PHP 7.4 that I use for tests. Or it does work. I don't see a chart, so probably hope that's not because I don't have data there. Options. So I think that's because it is not loaded at that moment, and I believe there is something like oh yep, like that. jQuery. Still doesn't work. Did I? Okay, let's check if I include this code at all. Oops, sorry, wrong shortcut. So do I have chart? Yeah, chart. I have it. Now let's check. Okay, I just want to check if I have data there. Somewhere around after that. Okay, canvas. And I don't see inline script here. How should I use it? Oh. Okay, after. So I need to find chart.js. Yep. X values. Values. Nope. time. Mm-hmm. I think about adding it here and maybe here. After is fine for me. Okay, now I see it. Probably it was called before, but I want to see it works. That's the first one. Oops. Alert. Hello world, but it is not executed because do I have any errors in console? Cannot use image outside the module. Not a function. Yep. I think that's because chain theory. No. What can you? I believe it's somewhere. One more. Oops. Oh. Oh, it's function. Okay, so I needed it, but I just had do something like that. Chart is not defined, it says, and probably because of this error. Is it legal to do that? And nice. So I can, that means that I can enqueue an external script. Okay, for me right now, that's fine. Absolutely fine. I'm on some coke. Okay, so what I need right now. What I want to do, I want to show a graph based on some data here, and for example, how many completions were in some particular day. For example, the default I believe is 1 month. Default. How get this datum? And here I need to open another application. Let me show it to you. Window capture. Is so database data, and where I can find completions. That's currently there is some long-term work on refactoring this, how the data is stored, but right now we need to check WP sorry, comment meta, I think, comment or comment meta. Let's check the P comments, and they have a special type. Comments, comment ID. Yeah, comment type Y. I didn't see it at all. So lesson status, that's, for example, I want to see comment status, comment type, sorry, comment type, this one, or comment type course status. That's and probably okay. Yep, and what we can see here, we can see comment approved has different values. By the way, with lessons that's a bit more complicated because of quizzes, and there are complete, graded, past, progress, and if I'm not mistaken, at least 3 of them means complete, like complete, graded, and maybe past. With courses it should be easier. Yeah, in progress and complete, only 2 statuses. And here is comment date. Another interesting thing here is to look at comment meta, because it has some additional information. Start, percent, complete. I want to check some Sensei code. I think that's Sensei utils. status, this update, course status. Nice. Where we call it. Sorry. Base course repository. Get command save. Okay, save. On the front end, on the back end, on the front end. So, yep, we do complete and then say save. Okay. I don't have this job changed. Jump list. Jumps. No jump. Okay. So save. Comments base, yep, save. Date course status. I think that means that yeah, comment. Yep, that's what I wanted to see. So we can consider comment date as the date when the status has changed last time. So we want to take complete. Courses and use comment date that's the date time. Let me write some select date comment date count from W comments group order by comment date group group by not sure if it's legal. Delete. Run current. Have an error in your SQL syntax, check the minimum blah blah. Group by. No. Order by, group by, from. Is it because of that? Group, order by. Nice. So what we have here, we have some data for the last month, for June. Yep. So from where comment approved. Does it have no? Approved. Complete. Nice. So here is the query, and comment date between nice, it works. So now we have some data, and function get chart data. SQL sorry. Global WPDB get results SQL, and for results we need to labels. We have labels. Later. First I want to go through results for results. Sorry. For each for each result is, I don't care about I want to see result see date and yes, no. So I provide values I provide labels, and that's X values, and I provide Y values as real data, probably numbers. Yeah, I think so. Now, actually I need to have start date and end date. Start date and end date we can get from sorry. It comes from I'm looking in a different browser. Sensei reports and filter. Get started and end date. So start date, and we need to escape. Oh no, sanitize. What's wrong with me? Press. That's not a key. Then probably I need to escape, not sanitize. Sanitize. No, escape, that's for output. I need sanitize, that's correct. Sanitize. Escape. Okay, I don't care for now. That's always confusing a bit for me, because I think it is suggested to escape values when you get them from the user, but actually we shouldn't escape, we should sanitize them. I'll do it a bit later. Now I want to have just a working prototype. Now I see I need to prepare. So yes, that's it. And hope it works like that. No errors for now. I like it. Okay. Now I want to use, actually I want to see results. Checking in the database. Indeed. Correct date time value. Okay, that's because I got empty values. Empty date. That's because, sorry. Nice. Nice. Okay. So I need data. So I need data. Now I want to use create a date for new date. So date time start date, and now yeah, exactly what I want to do. Key is thank you. Key, and we have data. That's not actually data. We have, sorry. We have labels. Okay, I think labels. That's x-axis, and key, and also I want to have data values. Yep. And return data. Yep. And I don't want to do that anymore. Do I have bar dump? Nope. Now having data. Y values is as I know the usage of it, how I'm going to use it, I want to do something like that. So x values something went wrong. Let's check the logs. Date, okay, yep. What? Oh. Should I? Labels? Why don't I see? Guys. Oh. Data. What? Why? I remember I've seen. I believe it should be not 1 day, but at least 30 days. No? So stupid. So stupid overwriting values. So stupid. Nice. Really? 14? Moment, I'm checking in the database. Maybe I can show it. So between 23, 1 and 1. Yep, 14, 1, 5. And what we see here, 14, 1, 5. Awesome. I think I need to set min width and I mean min max, sorry. Styles. Max. pixels, width. I think that max height doesn't work. Undefined. Okay, and sorry. Legend. That's legend, yep. How to set legend? Sorry, I was checking in the other browser that you can see. GitHub. And charges. Completed process. Yeah, probably shouldn't use it. Fill false. False. Data, label, fill, transition. Transition, what is transition? Maybe I can, just yeah, I like it. I like it. If I change the date from to filter, looks good. Looks good. Ouch. So we have data here and we have graph for it here. And looks good. Basically, That's what I wanted to do. Use ugly code, but and probably I want to see it only when this is students page, view students. So is students page, not page but view from view students. Open if not empty view. If empty view or view equals students. Oh yeah, sorry. That's also important. Oh yep, that's my mistake. My bad. So not empty page and page Sensei analysis. Yep. Oh, Sensei reports. And empty view or view equals students. If not in students page, then return nice. And just want to check sorry. Yeah, this is it. So today was just a kind of proof of concept, kind of. I think I can add a few other lines on this graph, but first I want to refactor this code and improve the structure